Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our trainer will cover some traffic best practices. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Social media traffic best practices. Make your content easily shareable. Instant sharing is the key to rapid traffic growth. So the question is, how can you make your content shareable? The answer? Social media plugins. If you have a blog, displaying social media plugins will enable your readers to easily share your content to their channels, inviting more people to view your content and create more engagement. One must-have plugin is the Click-to-Tweet, which allows readers to instantly share portions of your content on Twitter without leaving the page. It's important to optimize your plugins too, to make them more mobile-friendly, so readers won't be distracted while scrolling. Maintain audience engagement. Remember, you're not just creating brand awareness. You want people to actually purchase your offers. To do that, you need to keep lines open at all times. One way to do this is by investing in AI chatbots. Chatbots basically act as your 24/7 customer service agents, helping you to answer any inquiries and concerns instantly. Another way to maintain engagement is by responding to comments through tweets and LinkedIn posts. You can also be a contributor to forums like Reddit, Quora, and inbound.org, offering industry insights and providing answers with your own content, driving them directly to your site. Take advantage of visuals. If you're selling a product or service, 85% of customers will be more likely to purchase your offer when you provide a product video or demo, rather than just a plain text review. No wonder Adobe's Q4 2013 index says that social media posts with images produce 650 more engagements than text posts. To create high engagement visuals, it should be consistently on point with your brand. Have graphics portraying products or services from a new point of view. Have pictures that tell stories. Contain vibrant colors and well-formatted layouts. Be produced through professional photography. Fill in your social media profiles. You want people to know you from square one, whether it's your LinkedIn company page or your Facebook's About section or Twitter bio. You want to display as much information as possible, so people can get to know more about you and your brand. In every bio, always attach a link to your website. This is so that interested ones can easily know more about you and be introduced to your offers. Search engine traffic. Best practices. Optimize title tags. Title tags are the hypertext headlines that appear in search results and are clicked on by potential site visitors. To optimize title tags, you should keep it descriptive but concise. Include target keywords. Write title based on search intent. Optimize meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are the brief summary of your page displayed below the title tag, usually made up of around 155 to 160 characters. Meta descriptions don't create a direct impact on your search rankings, but have a major contribution to your CTR or click-through rates. Optimize meta descriptions by attaching your target keywords, using key phrases in description to match search intent, using action-oriented copy, writing unique meta descriptions for each web page. Optimize your page's loading speed. Before you optimize your page's speed, you need to look at your current speed first. Tools like Sematext, GTmetrix, and Google's Page Speed Insights show you a benchmark report of your present speed, including the possible reasons why it's performing poorly. Once you've identified the elements that drag your loading time, it's now time to fix it. To improve your site's loading speed, here are some tips. Use lightweight themes. Choose lighter themes in your web builder, for example WordPress. Use lazy loading option, delaying loading heavy content like images to boost the loading speed. Compress images. Shrink down your images to lower file sizes. Use a CDN, loading media on servers that are close to your user. Paid advertising traffic, best practices. Create an irresistible ad copy. You want to make sure that your ad copy is appealing the moment the viewer's eyes land on them. To make a compelling ad copy, you should have a targeted headline and an interesting description. To create a converting ad copy, you should know more about your audience. Experiment with several headlines and descriptions and choose what creates the most engagement. Take a look at competitors' targeting strategy. Plan your budget. This might sound pretty obvious, but if you're not careful, you can easily dig yourself into a deep debt hole. So before you start your campaign, make sure to have a fixed budget. For example, the CPC or cost per click can vary greatly depending on the ad network. To create the right budget, make sure to define the answers to these 3 questions. What is your main KPI? Which keywords will you target? Which locations will you cover? Set up personalized landing pages. Every campaign should have its own unique landing page. Why? 2 reasons. First, tracking metrics will be way easier. Second, individual landing pages simplify the add-to-page process for the users. When a user clicks on your ad, they won't be taken anywhere. Rather, they'll be directed to the landing page specifically for that campaign. Unique landing pages enable visitors to explore different sections of your brand and will provide a seamless buying experience.